Hello friends, get ready because today's recipe is rich and creamy, delightful, you'll fall in love with. Let's start with 140 grams of boiled corn kernels, that's about 1 cup, 60 grams of chopped French beans, that's about half a cup, 60 grams chopped carrot, half cup, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon dark soy sauce.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Take a pot and add 2 tablespoon oil. Then add French beans, carrot, and corn kernels. Now stir fry for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Then add coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt, 1 Veg Maggi Cube and dark soy sauce. Now mix everything well. And add 1/4 cup of water. Stir fry for 4 minutes on medium to low flame. And then cover and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Give it a stir. Then turn off the flame and add half a cup of fresh cream. Mix everything well. Then add half a teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. Our rich and creamy veg corn is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!